At our core, we are all human beings capable of incredible things. We know we need a means to make money, not for the sake of the numbers, but so we can truly accomplish what is important to us, spending time with family, being there for friends, and finally eliminating the crushing stress of the financial uncertainty that we all have. So you want to be a day trader? Well, I want to give you a clear understanding of what you need to do to move forward. As if you were a beginner, I want to cover prop firms, setting them up, which ones to choose, the platform that you'll use, how I would start from the beginning with NQ futures, the difference between the minis and the micros, talk about risk management, the first setup that you will use, and then an opportunity to join the Battle Hub. As we move forward, I want to make it clear that everybody is trying to get out of the rat race, and there is an opportunity to do this. I have people that contact me across the world. I happen to be sitting in the United States. I have a good family member that goes over for retirement 6 months out of the year, and if he could make $100 a day, it would pay for his retirement over there and he could stay with his Social Security. Generally, we are looking to make $400 a day, but I will show you the way of how we can move forward. So as we start this, I want to go over the platform and the NQ chart that we would use. And then obviously, as you continue to understand that there are two paths that you can take. You could trade from a small personal account, or you could trade from a prop firm. The way to look at this is that as you start a new venture, it's like playing a team sport. If you're into soccer or football in the United States or hockey, you would always go and practice and have a scrimmage that takes place, a field. A prop firm allows you the opportunity to go through the processes and understanding how you would potentially make money moving forward, and gives you the tools to know where you need to be on the field, how you are defensive or offensive at the same time. Why do we pick the prop firms? Because for a small fee, they can give you the capital that you need if you're starting out. If you were to use a $50,000 account, which we recommend using Apex because it is the cheapest. If they have something as a coupon that you're able to use, you could start out for as little as $24 US. This allows you to trade NQ with their money while you learn. When you pick a prop firm or the platform, the software that you use included with that. As we look at something that we would trade, that would be NQ. NQ is a chart that's in front of you, and there are symbols that you have. MNQ, you would set that up in the beginning. There are other videos that are out there that you can go through the process, but I want you to understand that this is a futures contract that starts out originally by a 1-point move. If you had $100 or you invested to buy at $100 and it moved to 101, it would give you $20. If you are on the micro of that, it would give you $2. As you go through that process, we are looking to help you understand that really at a $50,000 prop firm account, you'll only have $2,000. So it's important that you use that amount of money that you have, because if you go less than $2,000, that simulation prop firm account is ended and you would have to start a new one. So we start out small as we go through the process moving forward. As you do that, you are looking to risk no more than $150 to $500 on a trade. If you lose 2 trades in a row, you should walk away, but keep the losses small. It will give you an opportunity to use our technique called card counting that gives you an edge that I'll go over in the steps that you would use as you move forward in the process that we follow. So once you pick a account that you have, a prop firm account, and you set up yourself for MNQ, you are able to watch the battle map and how we would move forward. Or 10 points as an example, and you had 10 E-minis on that account, you would make $200. $200 across the year of more than 200 trading days in a year would allow you to make $50,000 for that year. So if you start out small and then scale up, you can move to the area of $400 and then move to $4,000. That is the plan. But right now you are just in simulation mode, or what you would consider fake money, to learn the way. We call that the boot camp. Once you go through the training and learn how to set up your accounts, learn how to use a dome, learn how to buy, learn how to sell, learn how to exit. And you can learn that through the Battle Hub as you watch us or other sites that are out there. Your goal is to move to what we call playing World War III, becoming an enlisted soldier and making $400 a day. So as we talk about this, we want to handle psychology. It becomes emotional when you are trading. We have created a concept called cards to charts, where we are moved from a blackjack table in a casino to the trading floor. If you were able to count cards and only had or only played in 18, 19, or 20, you would have an 87% win ratio. And that is what we do as far as having an edge. It is important to do that. So as I show you the edge that we are going over, or having that possibility, what's important for us is that I would start out by using what we call a transition. That transition is a change in direction that takes place. When we are above the 8 and the 14, we are looking for a long. So this long right here, this change of color, is a transition telling us that you could get long. This bar changing here is at 433, and moving up to 4,443 is 10 points. That would be $200 at 10 minis, or one regular contract on the NASDAQ. This chart, as you're looking at here, shows you opportunities where there are other plays. Let's look at a couple other examples, especially when we get on a trend. So we look at our transition strategy. Our transition strategy helps folks get on moves that have already started and not miss out on them. As you can see, when we are above the 8 and the 14, there is a green bar that is listed on our chart. Anything above this moving forward, as long as we don't move the low, becomes a winning trade. Here's another one. Here's another winner. Here's another green bar that we don't go below. Another winner. Here's another winner. Here's another winner. As we have those back and forth, we wait for a transition. So here is not getting below, another buy, works out again, and we wait for a change in direction. That's why it's called the transition. Now down, we're below the 8 and the 14. Here's a red bar. You would take this for short. So there's good examples. You can see this on the playlist as well. Trading can be a lonely game, but it doesn't have to be. You truly can reinforce your success and see these concepts that we are giving, starting out from a prop firm, to help you in real time. And you need a place, or what we call the financial hub, to help you. So as conclusion, and once again, we want to help you develop your edge, a card counting philosophy. We want you to pick a platform. You generally do that. It comes along with the prop firm that you choose to use. We want to help you master your risk and protect your $50,000 or $2,000 account. And we want you to execute your first trade while we oversee and help out. So that conclusion helps you understand that joining the Battle Hub Live for real-time examples allows you the opportunity to reinforce the possibility for you to spend time with family, friends, and generate an income that can help you fulfill your desires of financial freedom.